is a giant art museum featuring 1,500 major Western artists, from ancient times to today. Art Authority presents its exhibits in a virtual museum. You start in the main room, where you can choose different periods to view. Just tap a painting to go to the room for that period. Each period's room includes a highlights show, an overview exhibit with major works, a random shuffle option, timelines, and a guide to the key works on the wall. Relevant exhibits such as by nationality or movement, or a searchable directory. Tap an artwork to get a list of shows in that exhibit. Tap the upper left arrow to return to the main room. Another way to find artwork in shows is by searching. Each room's directory lets you search for works by the artist, title, subject, and location, displaying a show of all matching works within that room. When searching by location, tap the arrow button in the upper left to use the Art Near Me feature. Change settings like radius, number of works per location, and sort order. Tap the Show button to see works from the matching locations. Art Real Size and Art Like This are two of the best parts of the Art Authority Museum. They're available through the pull-down menu when you're viewing individual framed works. Tap Art Real Size or the framed art to have buttons removed and people added, helping you see and understand the actual size of each work. Tap once again to get the buttons back. Art Like This displays a show of works of art that are similar to the current work you are viewing. When viewing a framed work, just tap the Art Like This button in the pull-down menu at the top right. The work you are viewing is always displayed first, followed by the most similar works. From a list of shows, tap an entry to go to the room for that artist or topic. Each artwork displays on the wall with a caption below providing the work's title and other details. Tap the links in the plaques to learn more about the work, its artist and location, or view a video. Flick for the next or previous work. You can also tap on the left or right edges of the screen. Use the thumbnail strip on the side to quickly scroll through the works. Pull down the menu at the upper right to access buttons that take you to the grid, Art Real Size, and Art Like This views. Push the menu back up if you don't want to see it. You initially need internet access to view most shows. Images you view are cached in memory and can be viewed even if offline. Double tap an artwork for a full screen view, then pinch or double tap, zoom, flick, or rotate. Tap I for details about the work, if available for the artist or topic, or tap the upper left back button to return to the room. The globe button in full screen mode provides additional features. View additional information above the artist or topic, save the image to the favorites show, view the work in its original website or a text list, add music to the show, delete an image, or reset the show. The Share button lets you email an image, save it to the Photos app, post it to social networks, and share it in other ways. The Thumbnail button displays the show as a search-able grid of images. The Grid's Columns button changes the number of columns. You can purchase a high-quality custom-sized and framed production of any artwork that displays the available at 1,000 museums button below the image. You can also use the globe button when viewing a work full screen to save it to the main directory Favorites show. If you save images to the Favorites show in the main directory, you can view them anytime in the order you saved them. You can delete an image from this show with the globe button in full screen mode. If you save an image to the Photos app, you can set that image as the wallpaper for your iPad and use it in other ways. Overall settings, such as whether to display frames, can be set through the gear button in Getting Around. Full screen shows have settings that you can change within those shows, including time between images, transitions, whether to repeat a show, and how to show captions. Full screen settings apply to all full screen shows. Copyright gives artists control over their works for a certain time. Then the works enter the public domain and can be freely utilized by everyone. Most of the art in Art Authority is in the public domain, enabling us to optimize the works for both speed and quality. Works published after 1922 may be copyrighted. See the FAQ on artauthority.net for details.